Pretty excited about today. If you haven't seen, this is the Hot Wheels RC Cybertruck. Not the little one, like these. This is a 1/10 scale. I actually built a Model Y RC car from the Model Y for kids. I bought an RC car and I basically put the two together. But this is a Cybertruck officially from Tesla and Hot Wheels. Oh wow. So this is what you get. Now this was a limited edition item. I don't think they're ever gonna bring it back. So you're probably stuck with whatever's on eBay. And last I looked, these were going for like 2 to 3 grand on eBay. They were $400 to buy originally. So yikes. Got this sweet carrying case. That's pretty cool. Oh. Well, that was kind of uneventful. I guess you have like a little remote control here. You actually got like the Cybertruck wheel. Kind of reminds me of just like a typical remote control car. You have a charger. Quick start guide. Congratulations. Oh look, it's come with little stickers for the windows. It does have this bumper guard you can use for extra protection, etc. But yeah, you got like the broken window stickers. If you don't remember that, it was hilarious.
Sure? Yeah. Oh my God. Well, maybe that was a little too hard.
Should we try on the board?
Sorry? It didn't go through. So that's a plus side.
Let's try the right.
Try that one, really? Okay.
Yeah.
Sure.
Oh man,
it didn't go through.
You've got the little manual 90-day warranty. This is the bumper guard. And it actually even says, attention driver, yes, you, the RC Cybertruck is fast. Highly recommend that you install the bumper guard for extra protection as you learn the capabilities of the vehicle. Enjoy the wild ride. So this is just like a piece of acrylic from what I saw. Yeah, okay. So it's just like a molded piece of like plastic, clear plastic, just to like install so that you don't mess up the front. And then I guess time for the main attraction right here. Ooh. She's snug. Okay. It's not as big as I was expecting.
That's what she said. Or he said.
So here's the back. You actually saw some pictures that had like a little like Cyber ATV in the back. But it doesn't appear they came with the Cyber ATVs. So that's kind of a bummer. We'll have to figure that out. But the almighty peel. Ooh. So overall, not terrible. There's some like already blemishes on like the hood. I mean, the paint. You know what though, I'm just gonna have fun with it, so I don't really care. I'm just saying like, it might bug some people. Oh, look at that, that's cool. So this back right here, which that looks like it might be an LED. I believe it is, as well as like the front lights. But this back right here pops open. And then look at that. So yeah, they totally made this for the ATV, but where's the ATV? Because it's not in the box that I saw, so I might have to dig around for that. Maybe it's a future product coming. But that's cool, and then you have like the cover. Ta-da. That's pretty cool. Doors do not open. You can see inside, it's, oh, it might be too glossy. There's just like a very faint outline of like the interior. This is what the bottom looks like. I presume this is gonna be our battery here. Important, the vehicle must be switched off after play. Leaving charged battery pack in a powered vehicle for a prolonged period of time can severely damage the battery. Good to know. You do have some shocks on the front as well as the back. But I mean, like compared to the Model Y that I made, this thing is kind of small. I just thought it was gonna be bigger. I don't know why, I guess. Okay, so I've actually got it all kind of charging here. And so I would say it's probably comes shipped at about 75% battery. Okay, we're gonna get David's reaction here. Hopefully it's good. Okay, why don't you come to this side and see what it is.
Wait, this side? What?
This side.
Oh, wow.
Is it not smaller than you expected? I expected it to be bigger, like the Model Y that I built.
It is, but yeah, I think it's because we are used to that Model Y that you built, which we don't know what scale is. I guess you can measure that out. It's still pretty good size.
I know, it's not bad. It's got, look at this case.
Wow.
But there's no Cyber ATV.
Oh, but that does have the solar thing, or the tonneau cover.
The tonneau cover. And then look, you got this. And look, they even made it.
Oh yeah, wow.
For the ATV. Wow. So I think that's a future coming product.
That looks really sturdy too.
Oh yeah, it's magnetic. Really magnetic.
But I don't remember this in the...
No, I mean, there's definitely not going to be string holding up the back door. Hopefully in the real Cybertruck.
And is this... Yeah, so it's not 100% accurate because I don't remember that being... It should be a flat bed, but still.
But like...
That's pretty cool though.
The tires and everything.
Yeah,
and then you have like your charge port.
Yeah.
Oh.
Does it have stickers? Does it have stickers?
Stickers!
Are they like removable? Like they should.
Yeah, they're kind of like little like static clings, I think.
Wow. Yeah.
But like you can see, like there's already some blemishes like in the paint as is, but it's okay.
Wow.
It does come with like a bumper guard because it is so fast.
Oh yeah.
You got to be careful. But I guess I was just expecting it to be a lot bigger.
That's what she said. Oh.
That's probably what she said. It's like when you look at where the $400 went, how much money went into this case.
Yeah.
But look at this too.
Let's see.
The remote is also a Cybertruck wheel. So that's kind of cool.
Difference.
Okay, so you do need 4 AA batteries for the remote, not included. Just like that. Oh, well, we have a rollover. So I took the throttle limiter off. That actually goes right here. Ooh, she takes off. Wow, that's fast. I mean, it's super fun to play with. Is it $400 fun though? You bet. There's a bunny. Oh my god. Do you see the bunny? Right there? I'm gonna use this to start chasing bunnies off the property now. So, final thoughts. We scraped up the top a little bit when we rolled her. It happens. The bottom, oh wow, there's a giant rock in there. We did a little scrapage kind of on the side here. We've got a little bit of carnage from, again, when we rolled it twice. And you can really see kind of on the bottom, there's a bunch of marks now because I was doing it on like gravel and everything. But you know what? I paid $400 to use this, not let it sit. I will say though, the lights actually look pretty cool. There's that now that's on, as well as here and here. That front headlight right there. You've got the light up here, and you've got the tail light right there. I didn't even realize this was gonna light up, so that's actually kind of cool. But just wanted to give you guys a first look at the Tesla Cybertruck from Hot Wheels. It is really awesome. Hopefully they bring this back in some capacity. Now, the first one was a limited edition, so I don't know if they will have it for sale again, potentially. Hopefully they do, in case anyone didn't actually get a chance to buy one. But that being said, they were $400. That's a lot of money. Now, if you do want one of these, I'm actually doing a giveaway over on my Twitter. I have a bunch of these. I actually have, you can kind of see a stack over there. And so we're gonna be doing some giveaways on these. Definitely go join. All you have to do is comment that you want in on that post. I'll link it down below too. But it's just on my Twitter, and I'll be contacting people and sending these out for you guys. So that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Huge thanks to our channel sponsor, Abstract Ocean. If you are looking to accessorize your real life, not RC, model SX3 or Y, definitely check them out. All linked down below, and using code Tesla Inventory will get you 15% off of your first purchase. As always though, thumbs up if you enjoyed that video. Go and click here to subscribe here for some other ones, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.